Okay, today's mission. Rekey this, God knows how old, Mortise Deadbolt, which should have been replaced with an exit device and all that fun stuff for safety, but we need to rekey it. Today's mission. Let's see how this even works. Okay. Okay, let's take it apart. See what makes it tick. Missing a screw. That one's gone. We'll find enough. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Okay, so this is an add-on piece here. Apparently they added this screening on at a later date, I would assume. Or maybe that's how they put it. I had to drill this out better, larger. So I took one hole saw, put another hole saw inside it as a guide. But I'm going to put it around this way. Ready for some awful noise? Here we go. Okay, that was easy, wasn't it? Now I got a bigger hole, we can smoother hole. We can work with this. Does that look okay to you? Does it look better?
It does look better.
Okay, let's put it back together. So the lock we're working on is an antique Sargent Mortise Deadbolt. Wow, it was a collectible, and it's about worn out anyway. Shouldn't be doing that. Okay. Put her back together.
Nope. Let's go above the screw that's on there.
And then do that.
Yeah.
And then do this.
There you go.
Now, where do my screws go?